The Leeds Train Collision at Neville Hill Depot on November 13, 2019 involved two empty LNER trains, a Class 800 Azuma and a Class 43 HST. The Azuma collided with the rear of the HST while both trains were moving at low speeds into the depot. The HST was travelling at 5 miles per hour while the Azuma was accelerating, unintentionally reaching 15 miles per hour, which led to the collision. Although no one was injured, the collision caused significant damage to both trains, with the Azuma derailing in the process. According to the Rail Accident Investigation Branch RAIB report, the primary cause of the collision was the Azuma driver's struggle with the onboard system. The driver, who had extensive experience but limited familiarity with the Azuma, was focused on restarting the train management system, which had been isolated earlier due to confusion over the documentation. This lapse in attention led to the accidental acceleration and the subsequent collision. The investigation revealed deeper issues with the documentation provided by Hitachi, the train's manufacturer, which caused LNER to misunderstand the system setup procedures in their driver training program. Additionally, the RAIB highlighted the susceptibility of the Azuma to derailment in low-speed collisions due to its high-strength couplers, a design flaw that had not been fully accounted for in the crashworthiness standards. RAIB issued 5 key recommendations, including revisiting the Azuma's design, reassessing training for drivers, and ensuring that LNER and Hitachi correct their understanding of the onboard systems. These recommendations aim to prevent similar incidents in the future and improve safety standards for high-speed trains.